Hello everyone! Today I'm super excited to talk to you about the Medicube Booster Pro. This little device is a game changer for my skincare routine. It got 4 different modes and I will break them down real quick. So let's go! Air Shot. The Air Shot mode uses gentle electrical pulses to open tiny pathway in the skin, similar to micro needling, helping to clear pores and smooth skin texture. On dry skin, gently make contact with the skin using the edge of the head and sweep it in one direction. Booster. Booster mode uses gentle electrical pulses to temporarily open tiny gaps in the skin, so your skincare product can soak in better and work more deeply. Ensure the head is in complete contact with the skin surface, then gently massage and absorb the skincare product. MC. The MC mode uses mild electrical current that copies your body's natural signal to tighten facial muscles and boost collagen production. Ensure the head is in complete contact with the skin surface. Then move the head from the inside of the face to the outside in an upward motion. Derma Shot. The Derma Shot mode uses mid-frequency energy current to stimulate deeper skin tissue, promoting firmness and reducing sagging. With the head in full contact with the skin, move slowly and pause for 1 to 2 seconds at areas where you feel the most stimulation. First off, my skin feels instantly alive after using this, like that refreshing, bouncy feeling you get after a facial. My serum also sinks in way faster, but there's always a but. You gotta be consistent. This is not a one-time magic wand. So if you want to see long-term result, you gotta be consistent. So yes, I do love this little device so far. If you have tried this, please comment below on your thoughts, and I'll see you in the next one.